Another one. Let's go.
In northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, East Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Eastern Leanna County in eastern Pennsylvania,
Let's go. Another SVR.
southeastern Pennsylvania,
Right here.
South Central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:45
Let's go. Another one.
At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending
Another one, baby.
to near Taunton and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Northeast at 50 miles per
60
hour.
miles per hour wind gusts.
60 miles per
Source,
hour wind
radar
gusts.
indicated.
Source,
Impact,
radar
It's on
indicated.
KZZ31.
sighting, trees, and power lines is possible.
Let's go. Another one.
Impacted include
Oh, another one. It could be a double header.
Bethlehem,
It could be a double header. They should another SVR.
Hagerstown,
What the heck?
Washington, Blairstown, Helltown,
It could be a double header.
Bangor, High Bridge,
Let's
Penn
go.
Argyll, Wind Gap, Clinton, Bath, and Belvedere.
Another.
This includes the following highways. Northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 64. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 47 and 76.
It's on KZZ31.
Interstate New Jersey between mile markers 0 and mile 1. Interstate 80
Is it on WX80?
mile markers 1
60?
and 24.
Nope.
For your protection.
Is it gonna tell you about double header? Oh yes, it is a double header. Yeah, it is a double header. Let's go. Another one. Double header.
Warren County in northwestern
Let's go.
Northeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania. Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:45.
Let's go. Double header.
At 6:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along
Yes, sir.
the extending from Starbucksville to Gilbert, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
County in northwestern New Jersey.
60 miles per
Northwestern
hour.
Warren County in northwestern New Jersey.
Radar indicated.
Carbon County.
Impact. Sighting. And power lines is possible. Locations
It's not a WX80.
Bridgeville, Stormville, High Point, Red Lake, Pocono Pines,
Hazard, 60
Middlebrook,
miles.
Let's go.
Vernon Valley, Skitock, Tannersville, Long Pond, and Sunday Valley.
Yes, sir.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 283
It's
and
crazy
214.
right now.
Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0
Why are you
and
not
13.
going off? I don't
Protection
understand.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Let's go.
You are listening to News All Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City.
Wait.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 103.
Okay.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
Yes, sir, let's
7:45
go.
p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties.
Dude, this is crazy already.
Pennsylvania, Carbon, and Monroe.
Goddamn.
5 to 10 miles per